Ferrari makes very nice cars that are fun to drive fast. For most people, however, they're also prohibitively expensive. But even though the least expensive car in next year's lineup, the Portofino, will cost more than $200,000, people are apparently ordering so many Ferraris, it has to increase production next year. Bloomberg reports that in order to meet demand, Ferrari will double factory shifts to 2 a day. As a result, it will be able to deliver nearly 9,000 cars in 2018. Previously, Ferrari had hoped to hit that number in 2019, but strong interest in its cars has apparently accelerated that timeline. When Ferrari finally introduces its first-ever SUV, expect annual production to increase even further, potentially pushing past 10,000 units a year.